Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install your Elementor Pro plugin. In the previous video I've already shown you how to get a free Elementor Pro plugin. Okay, let's dive into the video. I'm still on the journey of how to create a fully free website. In some previous videos I've already shown you how to host a free website with infinity free. Okay, I'm also on the journey. Okay, let's dive into today's video. Okay, if you want to upload the Elementor Pro plugin, what you need to do is just to come to your WordPress dashboard and come to where you can see plugin just right here and click on add new plugin. Okay, click on upload, then choose file. This is the Pro element, then click on it. Install now. Unpacking the package, installing the plugin. The plugin has already installed successfully. You don't need to activate it. If you want to activate it, you will need to pay for it, but don't worry, you do not need to activate it. You will have access to some pro package on this Elementor for free. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to customize this website. This free website, I'm going to show you how to customize it, edit it to your standard. Okay, we will meet in the next one. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe. Thank you for watching.